Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's day 8. As you can see, still we are at Munnar. It's raining heavily, so we decided to stop and take rest for today. It's day 10. Right now we're heading to Guruvayur, which is 177 kilometers away from here. As per Google, and it will take 4.5 hours from here. It's Limelight Resort, where we stayed for 5 days. The room, food, accommodation, hospitality, and everything is fine. We'll give 9 rating for this hotel. The people were also very helpful. Yeah, that's it. So we're heading to Guruvayur right now. Thanks. Bye. Done with the shopping. Right now I'm going to meet Ravindra. Ravindra is waiting for me at the junction. So going there. From here, Guruvayur is around 177 kilometers approximately. So it should take 4.5 hours as per Google Auntie, and with breaks and everything, it should take 7 hours. If it doesn't rain, if it rains, we have to take more stops, so the time will increase. Actually, this is the main center of Munnar. Actually, it's 500 meters away from here. We are staying 2 kilometers before Munnar because of the view and everything. Actually, we don't know. We booked for the view, and it seems it's 2 kilometers. So it doesn't matter. The view and everything was okay with the hotel. So we stayed for 5 days over there only. We didn't shift. This is the junction where I said Ravindra to wait, but he's not here. I think he went a little further. I think it's better to call him once and check with him where he is. I called him and checked with him. He's waiting at the junction, but in the Theni route. I'm at Coimbatore route. In love with the climate, but only issue is it should not rain because the Ghat section is around 80 to 100 kilometers distance. So it will easily take 3 hours for the Ghat only. If it rains, it will take 4.5 hours. So hopefully it should not rain. That's it. ఈ రూట్ నేను ఫాలో అయిపో. the roads are completely damaged because of the heavy floods. We have to be more careful in driving these type of roads. We are maintaining around 40 to 50 kilometers speed per hour. That's it, not more than that. I guess we covered 20-25 kilometers, and it drizzled a little bit, but it's not a heavy rain, so we didn't stop. We are trying to cover as much as in the daylight. We should take a lunch break after completing around another 30-40 kilometers. We are thinking of taking a lunch break over there. I think I lost my tank bag cover, so making some jugaad with this plastic cover. I don't know where I left that cover. Might be in the hotel, I guess. That's the reason why I carry some extra plastic covers in these cases only. Actually, it's raining and stopping, raining and stopping, so decided to put a tank bag cover for safety because I have my camera and everything in their bag only. Yeah, Ravindra is behind me, so we both are starting. Couldn't record much because it rained very heavily, so we had our lunch and completed the guard section. Right now we are in the straight road. We entered the city. I guess it's a town or city, I'm not sure. From here it's 70 or 80 kilometers out for Guruvayur, so it will take another 2.5 hours or 2 hours. Because of the heavy traffic jam, it might take more time, I'm not sure about it. We have entered highway like 20 minutes back. As it's Saturday, the traffic in the highway is too hectic. So as it rained heavily in Munnar Ghat section, and we are really like exhausted completely. So we are trying to maintain good speed, but due to this heavy traffic, we couldn't. From here, Guruvayur will be like I guess 60 to 70 kilometers. I'm not sure. So it will take another 1.5 hours with the traffic and everything. I think it will take 2.5 hours. We are near to Guruvayur, and that's it for today. If you like the video, please do click the like button, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.